on problem 41 in the Calculus AB BC Summer Review Packet. And the question posed to us was, does this have an inverse, yes or no, and then explain. And so first we would need to know what an inverse is. An inverse happens when you switch the variables. So this would now say x equals 3y squared minus 9. And then ideally you solve for y to get the function to say y equals just like it did before. So then we would want to solve for y, so we would want to move the 9 over here. And looks like we're going to need to divide by 3. So we get 1/3 x plus 3 equals y squared. And then we're going to need to undo the square by taking the square root. So we would get y equals, now remember when you take a square root, you got to have plus and minus. Plus and minus the square root of 1/3 x plus 3. And at first you think, yeah, the answer is yes, it absolutely has an inverse because I just found it. I found the inverse, yay me, good job. No, the question was, does it have an inverse function? And it does not, because if we were to graph this, you'd have the positive square root and it would come up something like this. And then you would also have to do the negative square root and that would come down something like this, and it would give you a pretty little parabola. But it does not pass the vertical line test for a function, because if I draw a vertical line through there, look, it touches more than once. So it's not a function. So yes, it has an inverse, but no, it does not have an inverse function. So the answer is no, it does not have an inverse function. Hey, if you need more tutoring over the summer to get you through this summer review packet, I would be happy to help you. My contact information is at the end of the video and also below in the description. Thanks for watching.